Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. Just having a look at the dollar CAD. Got it open on a 4-hour. I'm just marking up some of these key levels. So we have, if we have a look at this, this candle here, the candle high, candle low, 4-hour accumulation zone, if you will. Key level of support. And we have a break of structure here to the upside. I like what I'm seeing, higher lows, higher highs on the 4H. So we've got this level here. If we go down, and price has traded into it but hasn't quite touched it. We go down to the 1-hour. I'm actually looking for a buy opportunity. I'll get back to that. On the 1H, we've got a couple of things. All right, we've got this red candle here prior to this bullish move here. So I'm just marking up this nested 1-hour and 4-hour point of interest. Definitely would be where this kind of overlaps, somewhere midway through this 1H, something like that. Just watching this as it's trading into the Asia close. We'll go down to the lower time frame and get closer to it. Guys, if you haven't already, have a look at the link below. You're welcome to join my Discord group. And it's really great value. There's a lot going on in there. It's free to join, so make sure you click that and join. So I mean, I'm looking to buy. I like a discount, but the other thing is, you don't want to miss out on an opportunity either, and you don't want to FOMO in. So fib retrace. Let's just pull a fib from here up. What do we got? See, we've already got a pull back into the 61.8, so I think I'm good to go with a buy, long position. Dollar CAD at market. Stop loss, well, I'll be looking at this 4-hour order block here, I think. I'm happy to go for a fairly wide stop. Just give it room to breathe. Go in with position size. I've got it set up so that I trade 0.15% per open position. 0.15% times 3. So I opened 3 positions long, and I'm going to look to close 2 of them. Show you what I'm doing here. It's actually all explained in my Discord group, and there's a channel in there called Risk Management. If you go into that channel, you'll see 2 videos on how I manage risk, and there's a calculator there. You're welcome to grab that, a position size calculator. Okay, so you're welcome to that. It's in Discord under tutorials. You'll find it in there. Anyway, a long position, I'm going to go a stop loss under this previous low here. This is a 4-hour OB, and I'll be looking to take 2/3 of my position off fairly early. So T1 up around this high, maybe even slightly less under, something like that. T1, I would take 2/3 of my position, so I'll close 2 of my positions here, and then I'll leave 1 in to run and trail the rest. So that's my play on this one, guys. Just watch how it trades around. Now we're trading into the Asia close. Just watch how it trades around in here. What did it do? London, it traded down into London, so I'm actually expecting this to rotate possibly around here. So that's my play. Dollar CAD, guys. It's a buy, potential buy opportunity. Manage your risk well. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day. Safe trading.